Takisawa TT-200G, if I get that right. Tell me about that machine.
Basically, it's two fixed head machines bolted together with a gantry loader on the side. It's got a maximum bar capacity of 160 millimeters and 4 kilo billets. It allows unmanned running, so we can get the customer prices down and still produce a cost-effective precision component.
Right, going back to the actual billets themselves, 160 mil by 4 kilograms, so it's a big billet.
Yeah, it is a big billet. Yeah. It is a very capable machine. We put a 60 mil usual through quite a few jobs, so it is capable of taking a lot of material away, and you can hold quite a heavy billet.
Okay. And fast, accurate and powerful at the same time?
It's definitely very fast, very powerful.
And I'm getting a theme around the whole machine shop. Automation is key to you guys.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we're always getting pushed to keep the prices down. It's the way to try and do it. Although we still want to produce precision components. So,
I think next machine then, the bright among us are getting a theme here. Automation for you guys is absolutely key, and this is a fantastic machine, the Matsuura. Tell me about it.
Well, it's a 6-pallet machine, 240 tools bolted on the back. We've got full Renishaw probing on it, so it's a lights out machine, very capable. With the 6 tables, obviously we've got 4 faces on each table. A lot of people think that you need thousands and thousands of parts for production on these. I think completely different. What you need is a variety of parts that just keep coming. So we make our own fixtures. You can leave a fixture that holds 10 parts, just leave it on the machine. The 240 tools are very capable. They're already on the back. Someone calls and says, I want 10 parts, you load them, go home, press the button, and come in the morning, and there they are.
You make it sound simple, so essentially they have 5 here, 10 there, 6 on the other face, all different parts.
A variety of parts that keep coming, and you just leave them set on the machine, leave the tools in the back. As far as I'm concerned, you don't need massive runs.
Right, okay. And I want to see one of the parts you're manufacturing at the moment, please.
Well, this one, this is a nice part. This is the first op on it. There is another op afterwards. We do 4 of these at a time in a chick vise, so not a massive run, but again, the jobs keep coming.
Okay, so what you're doing, you're sort of milling here, grooving, slotting?
A bit of milling, bit of drilling. There's some slotting to go on the back here, all tied up. So, you know, it all needs probing. It all needs checking on the CMM afterwards.
Okay, but all done on this machine, nice and simple.
All done on this machine, yeah, 2 ops.
Again, automation.
Automation, that's what it's about. Reducing the downtime, giving the customer value for money.
We've just spoken to Roger, he showcased the Matsuura milling machine, which is fantastic. We looked at the Takisawa, obviously fixed head turning, Nakamura's as well, but this sliding head turning.
Yep, definitely, yeah. We've got a SR20 and an SR32. So the 20 with a maximum bar capacity of 22 mil. The 32 goes up to 35, both with 3 metre bar feeds on, so we can achieve lights out running dependent on the job. But with it being a sliding head, obviously it's a lot more accurate. So the turning tool or whatever tool you're using is always at the top of the bar, and it's sliding through a guide brush, so you can get very accurate precision parts.
So I'm assuming these are slightly bigger, they're run on the SR32J, is that right?
Yeah, these ones are all run on the 32. The acetal job could be run on the 20. But yeah, these ones are the 32 components.
You've also got a great example of running 24/7 though.
Yes, we have, yeah. I mean, this one here for the 20mm machine can run lights out as well.
Hopefully the camera can pick that up, so just talk us through what you're actually doing on here.
Well, this is just a simple little brass job. It's got a few nice features on it. It's got a cut spline. It's got a little slot in the front, which we use a slitting saw for. And then a couple of grooves on it as well. So, but a very precise component, tied up to about 1 thou.
So Scott, thank you for that, showcasing LMS Precision. Essentially, it is about precision parts, but automation running 24/7.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.